In the 20th century, infectious disease caused about 30% of all human deaths. Fortunately, vaccines against many of these diseases were introduced, decreasing infant mortality in childhood diseases and increasing life expectancy at birth. Vaccination, administering antigenic material to develop adaptive immunity, is essential in preventing outbreaks. But if complacency occurs and immunization decreases, contagious diseases can spread and have devastating impact. So what about those that cannot be immunized due to factors such as age, suppressed immune systems, or allergies? They are protected indirectly by something known as herd immunity. Every contagious disease has something known as a basic reproduction number. The basic reproduction number is used to measure how transmissible a disease is. It is the number of secondary infections produced by a typical case of an infection in a population that is completely susceptible. So, for example, if the reproduction number for a disease was 10 secondary cases would be produced from each new case. The effective reproductive rate describes the number of cases one would cause in a population made up of both susceptible and non-susceptible hosts. If the reproduction number for a disease is 10 in a population where half of the people are immune due to vaccination, the effective reproductive rate for the disease would be 5. Fortunately, as long as a certain proportion of a population is immunized, the disease won't be able to transmit in that population. The threshold for herd immunity is when the reproductive number is 1. So back to our basic reproduction number of 10, we would need 90% of the population to be vaccinated for herd immunity to take effect. The most contagious disease we see in the real world is measles, which has a reproductive number of 18, where we need to vaccinate 94% of the population for herd immunity to confer protection to those who are not immunized. In summary, herd immunity is a form of indirect immunity that results when a significant percentage of a community is immunized against a contagious disease. This is because there is little opportunity for an outbreak to occur. This concept of herd immunity is thus also known as community immunity. The spread of disease is halted. If we are efficient enough in vaccination, we can eradicate contagious disease.